When printing and binding books and other publications, it is neither practical nor economical to print single pages at a time. Printing machine capacities are linked to paper sizes, and printers prefer to print as many pages on the maximum sheet size their presses can accommodate. Working with imposition layouts in CorelDRAW lets you print more than one page of a document on a single sheet of paper. It refers to the arrangement of pages on a sheet so that they will appear in the correct position and order when the printed sheet is folded and turned. Let's explore some of these imposition options in CorelDRAW. This lesson continues on from the previous one. If you've closed the document from the previous exercise, please reopen 01 print and export.cdr. With the file open, let's head to the File menu once again and choose Print Preview. If necessary, disable any of the options we looked at in the previous exercise, then choose the Imposition Layout tool, which is the second tool on the toolbox. From here, you can see that a single page has been printed, a sheet of paper at a time. Of course, this is perfectly okay if you were printing to your desktop printer. However, in a print and prepress environment, we need to arrange the content differently. On the main toolbar, you can see that CorelDRAW offers a whole host of different options. Let's try one of these. So, if you were to choose Book, you'll see that the pages are arranged side by side. To get a preview of the pages, simply choose the Pick tool. Let's head to the Imposition Layout tool once more. Click on the drop-down once again, and from the preview options, please choose 8-up Perfect Bound, Work and Tumble. Then let's click on the Marks Placement tool, and from there, enable Printer Marks. You'll see that CorelDRAW intelligently places printer marks exactly where required. This is a huge time saver and definitely one of the unique benefits of CorelDRAW. Let's explore another possibility. Please close out the preview window and choose File, Open. In this next example, we'll look at an imposition of business cards. So kindly choose 02 imposition.cdr from the Module 4 Print and Export folder and choose the Open button. With the file open, let's explore an imposition setup for this document. Choose File menu once again, head down to Print Preview, and you can see that the document will currently be printed in the middle of the page. This is highly uneconomical. Let's choose our Imposition Layout tool once more. Then click on the presets and let's choose a 3x3 arrangement. Now what we have is a better use of our paper. We can increase the page count by changing the values on the properties bar at the top. Let's click on the Pick tool again to get a preview, and you can see that the software does this seamlessly. We'll click on the Marks Placement tool once again and enable Printer Crop Marks to see what the final result may look like. This high-quality print and output tools make CorelDRAW a must-have in any design workflow.